Arrive in style with this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, automatic full-time, 5.3-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, bed length, 63.3, clock, in radio display and compass. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.